welcome back. So today we have some interesting topic, one of my interesting topic, what if analysis. You must have gone through some of situation where your boss must have asked, hey Harry, what step we need to achieve our profit portion to 45. Obviously the things are all business things must be on different side, but when you have a data, you can suggest by changing a cost or changing a, other things like tax is not in your hand. So we have an example here where your sales is 100 and ultimate profit is 25%. Now if I wanted to achieve 45% of profit, what will be my situation? What things I can change here is only a cost of goods sold, because tax is government decided. So by simply we have a very good option here. You have a data tab here which is already open. You have a what if analysis. You can read out the description, try out the various value, formulate your sheet basis on your scenario manager. So we have a three option. We will be learning goal seek option. So if you see here a goal seek option, it will ask you a three values. Obviously you have to provide some input to Excel, where Excel will understand the situation, give you the output. Now set value. Now I would like this particular cell is its profit percentage. I want this profit percent to achieve 45%, that is 0.4 or maybe 45 or 40 depending upon your situation. So I need to achieve profit of 45% by changing my this cost which is 55. So what I am putting here, three variable again, profit percentage which I would like to achieve at 45% by changing. That means what can be the cost if I would like to achieve a profit of 45% given this scenario. You can think about your situation, your example. You can try this option by simply pressing OK. You can see this calculation was done here and Excel found the solution. So now earlier cost was 55, now it reduced to 35. So by changing cost from 55 to 35, I can achieve profit of 45%, which is my desired. So my goal is to achieve 45% by changing cost. At what rate? The solution is 35. So basis on that, you can change your sales as well. A tax is not in your hand, but you can check your example what things you can change. So by changing that particular thing, you can achieve the profit of 45%. So this is very simple, and Excel will give you the solution because it is by default. So at the back end, it is doing some calculation, doing permutation whether I have achieved 10, 20, 45, what my desired is 45. Once it achieved that 45, it give you the solution. So that's it for video. Share with your friend. The goal seek option is very important if you're doing analysis kind of thing. Even though in stock market it is really important for you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.